All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage today. Man, it's been, can't tell it, but the sun's shining now, but it was pouring down rain here a little bit ago. I got lucky and got the grass cut this morning, so I knew the rain was coming, but I wanted to get that grass cut, so we're looking good. All right, guys, I just want to get on here and do a little update on my 41 Willy gasser here. Man, I'll tell you what, I just love this splash paint because I got this thing painted and cleared all in the same day. Man, I mean, I painted it, and then about 2 hours later, I shot the clear on it. So this is the second day that's been sitting. I'm gonna let it sit for one more day, and then I'm going to wet sand it and polish it out. But man, I tell you what, daggone, that come out pretty sharp. I mean, that looks pretty good to me. I did something different this time. This paint job was a lot different than the 57 Chevy that I did with splash paint and that 36 Ford. I shot those two with the air pressure at 16 psi, about 16 psi, working psi, because that's what a lot of my research brought up, with people were shooting it at about that psi. So that's what I went with. But this time I set my air compressor at 25 psi, and the working psi was probably 22, 23 psi, because that's what Splash Paints recommends. So that's what I did, and it's different. It came out a lot better. I'm really pleased with it. And man, this is a killer looking orange. And I've got some decals coming in that I'm going to be sticking on here, and I'll just save all that information for when I post the last video of this on the final. But man, this thing is looking good. I still got to get the taillights out and get those figured out, and I got the shocks painted, and I don't know what I'm going to do with these headlights. Here's the headlights. I painted these suckers with a Tamiya Silverleaf. Now I need to do something with that lens there, and I don't know what to do. I was thinking maybe, I don't know if I could do a good enough round circle on that or not, with a toothpick and some of that Tester's amber signal paint. I think that might kind of blend in with the orange pretty good. I don't know. I'm still kind of debating on what to do with that, but everything's pretty much done. I just need to get the glass in too. So I think that's about it, is the glass. Attach that rear bumper, which I always do after it's been assembled. Make sure I can get it straight on the body. Get those shocks on, the steering wheel, and I got an XL coil there I got painted up. But fellas, it's getting pretty close here now. But man, I tell you, I'm just digging this way that paint came out this time. It's just super cool looking. I mean, I just really like it, and it's pretty good looking. I could probably just polish this out, rub it real good, but I'm going to go ahead and wet sand it anyway. That's kind of my normal process, so I'm going to keep with my normal process. I've still got to paint these hinges. I got to get the door handles and things on too. But fellas, I'm getting pretty close. So y'all remember, that's the one right there, the old 1963 version. That's an oldie. But I'm getting there, fellas. So next time you see something about this 41 Willys, this probably gonna be the finish. Guys, that's what I painted with. I always paint my models with the Tamiya's white fine surface primer or the gray, and this is the Twister orange I use, splash paint. It comes, got a ball in it, comes, you just shake, pour, and spray. That's what they say on the website. So all right, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this one up here. Just wanted to show where I'm at on this one. I got that paint job done, and it turned out pretty nice. I'm happy with it. All right, I'm done.